Hi guys, good morning. Kagising lang namin ni Nico and it's very cold spring weather here in Finland right now, and we're gonna get something for my flowers. Short ones there are some more. Bella Lisa. So I have now here guys a stem para sa aking bouquet. These are spring flowers guys, and this is perfect para sa aking bouquet. And bumili ako ng peonies kahapon after ng aking shift. So as you can see, there are spring blooms. Napakaganda tingnan. Tapak! First time guys, nakapang makeup ko. Wala ko nagkrimao ani, bahala na ni siya. Actually, today is our wedding. So, simple lang ang wedding namin. 2 tao lang. Ay, 2 tao lang yung witness namin. Yung lola tsaka yung nanay ni Nico. Tapos, here's my bouquet. Bagay ba? Simple lang siya guys. So, I'm going now with my husband-to-be! And then I can annoy him forever.
This is just published after official.
After the official,
yeah. This is a secret until that time.
It's secret. So we only have 2 witnesses. It's grandma and another grandma. Great grandma? Is it great grandma? No, it's grandma and Anika's grandma. Kasi yung nanay ni Nico tapos yung lola ni Nico, sila yung witness namin. So ito yung bouquet ko guys. We are now here guys. Hey Anika, say hi! Naka-dress din si Anika guys. So, magpapakasal na talaga kami ngayon. Ito na talaga to. Para, forever official annoying each other na talaga. So guys, andito kami ngayon sa labas ng Maestrati sa Lahati. So Maestrati is Maestrati is like parang west dyan sa atin sa Philippines guys. Parang sa lawyer lang or parang sa government na yun nga, parang west nga siya kasi nga wala pa kaming budget ng church. So later na yung church namin guys. So just to make things official, so papakasal na talaga kami. Just to make things official that I can annoy Nico forever. Eko din daddy.
Well, as long I live. You can annoy after that too. But...
And he can also annoy me. But of course, I can annoy more. So we're waiting for our time.
I've seen the wishing well, but I don't throw pennies down below. I've seen a shooting star, but I don't follow where it goes. I'm not the superstitious kind. You were always meant to be mine. cross their fingers tightly in a bow. But I've got open eyes and arms stretched wide because I know you